Hi, I'm Dan Nicol from Dan Really Likes Wine with a celebration of Sauvignon Blanc. It's a grape that did particularly well in the export world for South Africa in 2021. It also flies off the shelves here at Pick n Pay, very popular across South Africa. And one of the most popular is this Diemersdal in Durbanville Hills, a beautifully fresh, crisp Sauvignon Blanc that takes advantage of those cool breezes that come in off Table Bay. It's about to get even more popular though, because for the month of March, if you're a member of the Pick n Pay Wine Club, and why on earth would you not be? It's free of charge and full of amazing, amazing benefits. Then this particular wine as a case deal is phenomenal. Normally 540 Rand, it comes down to just 405 Rand for an entire case of cracking Diemersdal Sauvignon Blanc. I wouldn't just buy that case though. I'd also, if you like your Sauvignon Blanc, want to try something just a little different, grab a bottle of this. Now this is Diemersdal's New Zealand operation. New Zealand famous for rugby and for Sauvignon Blanc. That probably tops the list along with Lord of the Rings. This is made in Marlborough. That's the preeminent region of New Zealand, one of the world's finest regions for Sauvignon Blanc. And Diemersdal make the wine over in New Zealand and then bring it across as part of their Sauvignon Blanc offering here in South Africa. So it gives the opportunity to try some South African Sauvignon Blanc, try some Kiwi Sauvignon Blanc, but South African made, and see how they shape up together. But there's another good reason to be buying the case, to be buying the bottle, to be buying anything from Diemersdal over the course of this month, because a single bottle bought, if you're a member of the Pick n Pay Wine Club, puts you into the draw, and you could be winning, wait for it, 6,000 Rand worth of wine from Diemersdal, and that is an almighty win. Sauvignon Blanc is fabulous. It's even more so at this kind of price. To join the Pick n Pay Wine Club, simply SMS your smart shopper number to 36775. It's absolutely free, and you'll get for yourself 3 times the smart shopper points on every bottle of wine bought. You'll also get a 20% discount on 10 different wines each month, a 25% discount on a case of wine, and a Magnum, some terrific competitions and invitations to awesome events.